Begin by logging into your main Twilio account console. Once logged in, navigate to the Subaccount section, usually found on the left-hand navigation pane. Here, you'll see a list of all your created Subaccounts. Select the specific Subaccount where you wish to add a new phone number. This action shifts your console view to operate within that Subaccount's context. Once you're within the selected Subaccounts environment, locate and click on the Phone Numbers section from the left-hand menu. This area manages all numbers associated with this particular Subaccount. From the Phone Numbers page for this Subaccount, you'll find the option to acquire a new number. Proceed to search for available numbers by specifying your desired country, number type, and required capabilities like voice, SMS, or MMS. Review the search results, select the number that best suits your needs, and then proceed with the purchase. Confirm that this number is indeed being allocated directly to your currently active Subaccount. Upon successful purchase, the number will be instantly provisioned and associated with this Subaccount. After the purchase is complete, you will see the new phone number listed within this Subaccount's phone numbers dashboard, ready for configuration and use. This streamlined process ensures effective number management across your various projects and clients.